Hello, I'm at Johnny Rockets. Ordinarily in a situation like this, I would have got the burger. But today, I wasn't feeling it. Now, that's not to say that you should not consider me your go-to burger enthusiast. That's just to say that I've heard the burgers here are so good, I don't even know if I'm ready for it yet. So, if these burgers are really all they're cooked up to be, we'll see it in another edition. And if you had a burger from Johnny Rockets, let me know if they're any good, because I can't wait to try one. But in the meantime, this egg salad sandwich, fantastic. Yeah, we're good.